adaba birtalong pen niliklar EDBP non arjuik tha birtang ton pen. Sonsila bangso hong hariar muching rumah rat amai PKB ponalong Karbi Hong Hari Youth Association kongchun bang George Sinkram sahin pensi mai chari pon. George Sinkram sakachari pon amayalong alui sarpo aman pen KACCM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang man peng aluhi pen MLA Dorsing Ronghang EM Sorjo Rongphar EM Probhat CH Taro local EM di Uping Maslai lapen Karbi Richo Longsing Ronghang lapen constituency pli Karbi Hong Haria Thorom ki rimarong arada sarthia tumpen chenglok arong arada tum sitami chitongdu sonse adaba pormalom pen Karbi Hong Hari Thorom song alama pangjar pon pen jaimek pangcheng pon jaimek ateng pen karita tuma phan sitami kachiki mo jaimek deng pon
min pen gawron dama ingbok plumji pu lada ka predict do lata ingala ke rajikan di bom mira le buka pidam lo amai bok plum lo chidom lo lason do pik hala Sri Lanka Pakistan lahelam do pik lahelam la pen ke anam kandom hem kharaja char MC pu anam kandom hem song sidoji dak muni thip pik ji inot kai no muni tangsi dak pithi aji lata dolo lason ke tok pik la
lapen labang so Karbi Hong Haria Thorom ki rimarat do an constituency pli pen kadukave bangsoring koi susia rat armu jitong pon pen me pen Karbi Hong Hari armu jing rumamai pi pachun pon long lo pusi Karbi Hong Haria mai amai pu Harlinson rong hi lapen kongchun bang George Sinkram sa tung ahin pen thanang bachini dum
amri ele konsepsi angka ngalo aron marin kroy an Arab ni malam kecil dia jathan asun ni malam kecil dia jathan pakir ki pon ke Karbi Hong Hari amai tu mesti pakir ki pon asil so mai long ni ketong lo ele tum ke Karbi atom bu ciklo arni dolo bukan ko kimi do dolo la so ko kimi long ni tum kan tum datu dolo bukan ke Karbi tum ke project anni laba ke aroma ke la ke ka video nasi la so ka video ini je thana we pulong te urusan kita guru ko tungga bir aji ba hang adong be kase emang ta cenglo tujun penggan yang leader dan aku mata par seksi nile tu keceng si dong kas di pulau se rada mai di bilang milisi patir ki bolok pason ning gatang tangge bangge milisi klaim patir ki konsi nana bang kubang ki tu manili acara punya gi hangsi Dr. Ram Sinton hai be cenglo
Borthol pen Priyanka Balmiki KATV News. Koila Matia Havar Residential School along Logi Charlie students Tumaphan Lapen, Lothan Bang Pia Tumaphan, Anutin Logi Charlie Tumaphan Lapen, Anutin Lothan Bang Pia Tumaphan, Aki Joypen, Pekar Om Kiron Pon, Lucky, Chokiola Town Committee Chairman Vinson Ronghang Alang Lurideng Pen, Pekar Om Kiron Chengsi, Adun 2 Ward Commissioner Jackson Milik, Koila Mati Vophasar Aronsar, Mati GB Raj Teron Lapen, Labangso Koila Mati Girls Residential School, Mati Koila Mati Kasturba Gandhi, Balika Vidyalaya Long, Logi Charlie hem ki kim vekabang pu mate contractor papu roy alang li tumari deng pen atum ron pon long labang so apekar om kiron pon jiaphan aki joy pen ki rap pen na ki piduna tum la ki Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen alang li chor ka chetiron piatum hin pensi nang pido Laso pe karom kiron ji aphan ka chuning ria teng pensi ning ki me pen dor plu pape nanglodun lokuta town committee chairman Vincent Ronghang pen than pon
an jor ko piglo ini tada kasruba gandi kasruba dan kaban laso long itu laso blanket na kiron lagi itu mitang akhi pukali kita me pini tum sar phan chunu lampen lapen sara chor mate kachi ton pi baidu walang phan chunu lampen itu badaka problem son do pi kavi lason itu majulong pensi tundam pensi lang litum ningki me pensi lang tum student bang antum masaban itu pacitang pluk able kenang lu pini itu ronong lason pasi stafan itu rom panong lo pasti corona aja lang ini doktor sartu dalam bonghang alang kang hon ke tepik ini kalbeng long itu kisung long mahak tame alang ke arjabdum pasti lang function si anam tabe herjume papina pinakanak kami tulang hay tame nitum tame paleng saleng atum kidodi tame avelang
Nona malabang so school along ka siksak nai laki osumara tumkang niya bench, desk, lapen ke bejia di maphan, bed henlo uta town committee chairman lapen, than bang atum ben pachini. Lasila kado ka vesita me ke ACCM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang prabjin pen nang rap pupusin ning the pen towar chulang pon. Choki hola town committee chairman Vincent Ronghang hin pen, Karbiang Long Thomas Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang phan lapen, achor ka chetiron pi atumaphan choropar piklo pusi phirang kya thengno ningje pon. Lapen lapu lo ki charli atum lapen lo thanbang phiat tumai hin penta Karbiang Long Thomas Council CM aphan lapen achor ka chetiron pi atumaphan lapu sona ki joy pen kachi umappe naki pipon thega pot lapen kaduka villa so sai naki pachun pi thega tumaphan mati choki hola town committee chairman Vincent Ronghang contractor Papu Roy award commissioner Jackson Milik lapen Wopong asar GB Raj Tiron tumaphan anta kachuro bajirpon.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang and his wife, Madam Kachiteronpi, for giving this beautiful blanket through Town Committee Chairman, Choki Hola, as well as Jackson Milik, Ward Commissioner. Also, we have contractor Papu Roy, and last we have Gangura. With their presence, we receive a beautiful blanket for all the students and staff today. Thank you so much for looking into our grievances. Thank you so much, and thank you for taking this great initiative. We hope you will be always with us. Thank you.
Okay, madam, can you tell me how many blankets have distributed today?
Today?
Yeah.
Today, most probably, we distributed 170 blankets.
Okay.
Students, we have 150, as well as we have teaching staff, and non-teaching, we have 20 numbers. Difficulties like wise, I can say that before, when we were in Chokihola, we faced lots of problems, but after shifting here, it is not like much. But currently, we are facing with this desks and bench problems for our students, as well as some beds are not available. Since the floor are made with tiles, we are facing lots of difficulties in this bedding problems and all. That is the only thing right now we face. But Papu Roy sir, he also promised, as well as chairman of Chokihola Town Committee, he promised to provide desk benches as well as bed for all the students, as well as Dr. Tuliram Ronghang sir, he also said that he will provide all the materials what we need for our school as soon as possible. Thank you.
Nilipen Seming Tikatar KATV News. Pinia Birta Bangkil Ansikang Tonlo Dumit Hakmi Kardom.